Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I have been invited for dinner at my friend's house. So for that I thought it'll be a nice gesture if I bake a cake and take it for her. I have already weighed and kept wet ingredients in one bowl. Now I'm weighing the dry ingredients. Now I'm adding these dry ingredients into wet ingredients bowl. Meanwhile I'm using this strainer to make sure there are no clumps. Let's mix them up. Ta-da! My silky smooth batter is ready. I poured batter in these two molds. Before I started making the cake batter, I kept oven for preheat. Now let's keep both the mold inside. The temperature is set at 180 degree. Now I let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes and then I'll check. Meanwhile, I'll clean up this mess that I have made. Meanwhile, let me also tell you why I'm taking such an effort and making a cake. Cause I believe when you're invited by someone, it's always good to not go empty-handed. As the person who invites do so much hard work for you. They prepare meals for you. They make sure they host you to their best. They make sure you have a nice time with them. So I believe it's a nice gesture to do something for them as well to show our gratitude and appreciation. So depending upon the invitee, if it's a formal gathering, I prefer to take a bouquet or a sweets from outside. But if it's friends and family, I put in a little extra effort and make something personal. As in this case, she's my friend, so I'm baking her a cake which she can enjoy with her family. If you agree with me, do let me know in the comment section below and let me know what you take with you when you visit someone. Cake is perfectly baked. I'm demolding it now. Here are my cake sponges. I'm so happy because they're perfectly baked and so fluffy. Now I'll whip cream for cake icing. Time to whip it up. So seems like happiness hardly lasted as this whipping machine decided not to work today when I absolutely needed it. As you can see, I'm trying my best here to make it work, but it didn't. I'm using this machine from a long time and last I used it 3 days back and it was working absolutely fine. I don't understand why things like this happen. They're fine on random days, but when you need it the most, they give up on you. My husband tried hard to revive it as I don't have time to buy a new one now. But seems like something is burnt inside and it didn't work. I'm so upset right now as half of my work is done. My sponge is ready. But looks like now I can't make the cake because I can't make a cream without a whipping machine. I was upset for a while, but I didn't want it to give up. So I calmed myself down and give it a thought. Then it flashed me, yes, I cannot make whipping cream or buttercream without whipping machine, but I can make chocolate ganache. For that, I did had chocolate with me, but I didn't had fresh cream. So I quickly ordered it on Noon. Here in Saudi, Noon delivers you groceries and many other stuff real quick, like within just 15 minutes. Here I'm making chocolate ganache. You just have to melt fresh cream and chocolate together in 2:1 ratio in microwave oven and then you're done. It's super quick, easy, requires only 2 ingredients and does not require a whipping machine. Plus it tastes so yum. If you're a chocolate lover like me, then you'll absolutely love it. Here, I'm finally assembling the cake. I have cut 2 sponges into 4 equal slices. So I'm making 4 layers. First layer is already done. This is the second layer. First, I soak the sponge with sugar syrup and then above it, I'm adding this chocolate ganache. I'm adding roasted almonds as it complements this flavor cake very well. Now I'm icing the outer layer of the cake. So I ended up doing this rosette design on the cake. This design looks very beautiful and complicated, but actually it's not. You just have to use rose piping tip and create swirls all around the cake. And it gives you this beautiful design cake. Lastly, adding my final touch, sprinkling golden edible glitter. No matter what creative thing I do, be it home decor, makeup, or cake, for me, a touch of gold is a must. Finishing by adding this edible gold leaf. Look at that little details, but it has added so much of glam and luxurious vibe to the whole cake. And this is the finished look. Absolutely love the way it turned out. I would love to hear your views. Do let me know in the comments below. Now I'll get ready. This is the outfit that I'll be wearing today. I ordered this outfit from Trendyol. Loved the color and the side belt detailing. I will be wearing these heels with this outfit. These heels are from Zara, and these are the accessories I have picked to go with it. I already decided and kept all this ready last night only. I knew making cake is time consuming, so I kept all the other things ready to avoid getting late or getting tense in the last minute. I didn't have time to record while getting ready, but before leaving I quickly did record this clip to show you all how the whole outfit looked. This is close-up of makeup. I have kept the base very subtle, but adding this purple shimmer under my eyes added that perfect little glam. So right now I'm on the way to my friend's place, and in this box I have my cake. I have reached her location. The dinner is for ladies only, so my husband dropped me and Shahzad here and he left. I couldn't record much because of other people's privacy reasons, but I did manage to take a few clips with host's permission. Dinner was served. For the dinner it was butter chicken, paratha, fried rice, zucchini, dahi vada, and for the dessert it was Shrikhand. She prepared it all herself and everything tasted very yummy. And especially Shrikhand, I tasted it for the first time. She's from Mumbai and she did mention it's their traditional dish. So yes, everybody enjoyed the food. Then we had a little dance party. Look at Shahzad. He is like an extroverted version of me. This boy knows how to have fun. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next vlog. Until then, goodbye.